Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on One Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your search history on Netflix. Make sure you are logged into your account, and once the login is done, you just click on the arrow beside your profile icon and then open up account. Once you're here on the account section, you just scroll down until you see profile and parental controls. Just click on your profile of which you want to clear the history of. Once you do, a menu will open up on the bottom. You again need to scroll down a bit. In viewing activity, you just click on view. It's going to show you all of your recent history of Netflix. Now there are two things that you can do. Either you can delete them individually. You just click on this hide from viewing history, and that particular movie or TV show will be removed from your history. Other than that, you will also have an option of hide all, which if you click on it, it will hide all of your recent history all at once. So you can choose your preferred method, and that's it. That's how you delete or remove your search history on Netflix. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.